Hey, welcome to day 19. Today I'm traveling again. I've been driving for the past 3 hours and I'll be driving for maybe another hour or two to get to my destination. I didn't think it would take this long, but hey, such is life. Time is currently 10:53. I lost the hour because this is 1 hour behind. I gained an hour. Yeah, I gained an hour. Yeah, things are going fantastic. I'm eating clean. I'm staying on track. I'm drinking my water. I'm doing my workouts, and I'll keep you updated. This is me doing my workouts and my read. I'm literally doing my reading in the car, and I think that is just because I'm in the car for such a long time. It makes sense to get some things done whilst I'm driving. There is one final way that we prevent ourselves from starting, and that is the strongest and most dangerous force of all. It's perfection, and I'm so grateful I was able to overcome it in the moment. As I said, I'm glad I decided to just jump in. I don't know how long it will take me to get there, so this is me doing my workouts. Enjoy. Driving, and I had to grab something quick for lunch. I'm having some fried chicken from, so grab some KFC. I am finally at my destination. When I tell you I am tired, I am tired. The time is currently, let me see, I'm 1 hour ahead on my watch. The time is currently 3:37. So I'm going to go ahead and edit today's video. Then I'm going to go for a walk. No, edit today's video, workout, go for a walk, come back, edit tomorrow's video. So I can, take the stress off myself. But I am tired. But the challenge continues. The challenge doesn't stop for my tired body. So without further ado, I'm out on the lake. I'm about to watch the sunset. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. It's super loud everywhere that I go. There's a bunch of AC going. Oh my God. Ooh, let their dog shit just everywhere. This is so disgusting. I hate people like this. I found the perfect spot to watch the sunset. Gorgeous. I was complaining that someone let their dog poop everywhere. I don't think it's dog poop. I think it's duck poop. My bad. Look at me judging people. I think it's duck poop. I don't think it's dog poop. I wonder if I can go out on this dock. Because if I can, I will. You know what? I'm going to go out there. If someone tells me to turn back, then I'll turn back. Ask for forgiveness, not permission. Let's do it. Let's be a rebel. Here we go. This doesn't look too safe. This feels so scary. It's actually moving. I do not like it. You know what? I'm going to face my fear. I was about to turn back, but I'm going to go all the way. I'm committed now. Right. I'm at the end. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. All right, that's enough. I'm heading back. Hello. We don't have food. We don't have any food for y'all. Y'all expecting food? Guys, it's 10 o'clock at night. and I'm still unable to upload today's video, which would be day 18's video. So I'll have to go to a cafe tomorrow and upload it tomorrow. I apologize for the delay. I know that for most people it's no big deal, but I made a commitment and I feel as if I'm failing. I feel as if I should start over, but I think that is just a backward way of thinking. I'm not going to start over. I'm going to find a cafe tomorrow. I'm going to go there and I'm going to upload the video. I chose to work out in this dress because I'm just going to take a shower. So what's the big deal in changing into some workout clothes just for the video? I don't want to put on a facade for the video, because had I not been filming, I would literally work out in this dress or probably nothing because I'm at home. But for the sake of the video, I worked out in this dress. It's no big deal. The sky won't fall. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah, 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 mwah.